Hey guys, in this video you guys are going to be cleaning with Christina, Tanya, whatever you want to call me, and
Hi.
Bethany, Ariana, whatever you want to call her, Olivia, whatever.
This room is very big, and we don't know what we have in this. That's why I have to be shouting. So,
We're going to clean. Let's get started.
we already decorated for Christmas. I hope you guys liked it.
So, let's clean. Okay guys, so right here we're just cleaning our rooms. We're dumping everything out.
Yeah,
And it was a big mess.
I know, and it still is.
Yes. So I was just cleaning the part right there.
She kind of got mad at me because I found something to put on top of it.
Yeah, which is, hold up, that she's putting on right there. Sorry about her, but right. So this is the big pile.
Welcome to our tragic room.
Yeah. And this is garbage, so we can just,
The garbage is in the back of it.
right here we put the garbage, so we can just put it there. And then this is what she had found that I could have put, but.
We're gonna be arranging stuff, so let's get to it.
And I still cleaned it. It looks better cleaned.
Okay, Tanya, we're gonna have to move this. Ready?
Oh yeah, we're gonna switch that to there, and this to that. But it's gonna be impossible because there's this, and we have to move it, and we're so weak.
Teamwork.
So
Teamwork.
let's get back onto it. Okay, guys, so we are done finally, almost, but still. Let me show you guys. There you go. There's that. There's that. There's that. Organized. 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 Right there. Organized. Not organized. Not organized. Organized the lights. Organized. 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 Beautiful. Organized. Organized. And we're gonna put those things somewhere different. So we decided that we're gonna take these belts. We're gonna take these belts and put them somewhere else. Like, okay, let me explain this a little bit better. So we're gonna take these seat belts and no, we're gonna put these here, and then these seat belts will go on one of these, and then we'll put our backpacks on like at the same time, like whatever. Anyways, now we need to do the bed, and we need to organize those two desks. So yeah. Okay guys, we're done since yesterday. So let's show you. So when you walk in, you'll see these backpacks hanging. Like I said, we were gonna put the belts, not the seat belts, right there, but no, they're right here still. and we decided to get, because these were right there and the backpacks were right there, so we changed this right here hanging, and then the belts are still here. I know I said belts, seat belts, I meant belts, sorry. And then the lights are right there like normal lights, yeah. Anyway, backpacks are here. We decorated here. DIY box, random stuff box, makeup box, fashion stuff, like, you know, yeah. Game box, where we would put our clothes for when we go to school right there. This is the DIY supply box. We haven't added that much things. Safety and danger box, and then what's it called, pencils, and then markers. This we don't know what we're gonna use, or maybe for DIY. So yeah, these are the color pencils. We don't have crayons. This is the important box right here. And this is the, like, not necessary box. And then we have our bed. It's kind of a mess, but still. Yeah, so that's it. And it's beautiful now and cleaner and everything. So let me take you a little tour. Lights, backpacks, that, our beds, not that organized, that, and not that, because my brother hasn't organized that. So yeah, and don't pay attention to this. So yeah, we're done. It took us forever. We did not give up that day. We finished that day. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Bye. No question of the day. Bye.